Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can look for updates for any apps you have on your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. For that you want to go to your Play Store and go back, and then you can click on your little icon there on your account, and then you click on manage apps and device, and here you see updates available, 18 updates pending, update all or see details. So you can say update them all, or you can click on see details. Here you have details about the apps. If you click on the little arrow, you see what's new. And then you can say update them one by one, or just one, whatever you like, or update them all, whatever you like. The app will then start again, the update will be installed, and then if you open this app you might not even recognize the change, or there's something like in the design that changed depending on what the update is for. Then you can just go back. So that's how you look for updates for your apps. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.